Yes, viewers, this is Tony Ajay. Respect. Viewers and listeners, yes, we praise God on this segment as usual. I want to use this opportunity to tell you about the song I'm coming out with today. Hope to publish it this tonight. It's This Christmas Santa. This Christmas Santa. It's gonna be a sweet song. I wrote down the lyrics, and I want to go with you, and I want to read the lyrics to you. And I prepped the cajon like this. All right. This is the cajon from South America that I've told you about many times. And that's what I used to do the melting pot. Our folks that left, that they took to South America a long time ago, bless their heart, made this innovative drumming equipment. African music without rhythm, forget about it. Anyway, this is This Christmas Santa. I'm gonna go ahead and put some maybe bass drum, bass guitar, rhythm guitar, lead guitar. I'm gonna put some kuge drum on it. Put some accessories like pipes. Put a lot of cowbells and everything to make it solid. Then we're gonna sing This Christmas Santa. You got to come to Africa. We're gonna do that 2 times. I heard, oh Santa, that you have some containers from China. Like I had it on the cotton field. I may use cotton field or grapevine. And I had a gift for Americans. But don't forget, oh Santa, the land first created by God is Africa. That's Africa, Santa. You got to come and see, Santa. And don't forget, Santa, that Africans have gone on slavery. Have gone to slavery. We are in deep debt, Santa, in Africa. You got to come and see. Now, if you come to Africa this Christmas, Africans will feel some love. Now, if you come to Africa this Christmas, Santa, Africans will feel some love. It will be a nice song. It will be a nice song. I just want to go ahead and tell you this because I don't know, maybe you may not understand my accent very well, but I'm going to write out the lyrics too. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for hanging in there with me. I told you if you hang in there, you benefit, you profit from this African music that we are making. I don't want African music to be a mystery for anybody. This Christmas, Santa, you got to come to Africa. This Christmas, Santa, you got to come to Africa. Now, if you come to Christmas, if you come to Christmas, if you come to Africa, we finally feel some love. If you come to Africa, we finally feel some love. Thank you.